Q8710. When checking the idle mixture on a carburetor, the engine should be idling normally. Then pull the mixture control toward the idle cutoff position. A correct idling mixture will be indicated by A. An immediate decrease in RPM. B. A decrease of 20 to 30 revolutions per minute before quitting. C. An increase of 10 to 50 revolutions per minute before decreasing. The correct answer is C. A correct idling mixture will be indicated by C. An increase of 10 to 50 revolutions per minute before decreasing. When checking the idle mixture on a carburetor, pulling the mixture control toward the idle cutoff position should cause a momentary increase in RPM, typically around 10 to 50 revolutions per minute, before the engine starts to decrease in RPM. This indicates that the mixture is properly adjusted for idle. Q8711. When a new carburetor is installed on an engine, A. Warm up the engine and adjust the float level. B. Do not adjust the idle mixture setting. This was accomplished on the flow bench. C. The engine is warmed up to normal temperatures. Adjust the idle mixture, then the idle speed. The correct answer is C. When a new carburetor is installed on an engine, it is important to properly adjust the idle mixture and idle speed. This is typically done after the engine is warmed up to normal operating temperatures. Adjusting the idle mixture ensures the correct fuel-to-air ratio for smooth engine operation, and adjusting the idle speed ensures the engine runs at the desired RPM when idling. Q8712. The purpose of the back suction mixture control in a float-type carburetor is to adjust the mixture by A. Regulating the pressure drop at the venturi. B. Regulating the pressure on the fuel in the float chamber. C. Regulating the suction on the mixture from behind the throttle valve. The correct answer is B. The back suction mixture control in a float-type carburetor regulates the pressure on the fuel in the float chamber. By adjusting this pressure, the mixture of fuel and air entering the engine can be controlled, allowing for proper fuel-air ratio at different operating conditions. Q8713. Reciprocating engine power will be decreased at all altitudes if the A. Air density is increased. B. Humidity is increased. C. Manifold. The correct answer is B. Humidity is increased. Increased humidity can reduce the density of the air, resulting in decreased engine power at all altitudes. The presence of water vapor in the air decreases the overall oxygen content, which affects combustion efficiency and power output. Q8714. If the idling jet becomes clogged in a float-type carburetor, the A. Engine operation will not be affected at any RPM. B. Engine will not idle. C. Idle mixture becomes richer. The correct answer is B. Engine will not idle. If the idling jet in a float-type carburetor becomes clogged, it restricts the fuel flow necessary for proper idle operation. As a result, the engine will not be able to maintain a stable idle and may stall.